Alright everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Luxury Car Repair. Here we have the metal work done on this Audi S5. If you haven't seen my previous video, you're probably better off going to watch it. It was in a pretty bad way. So yeah, go back and watch that video first, because it will show you how we got to this stage, all the different processes and different techniques that we used to get this car to where it is now. So it's just a few before and afters here, but in this video here now you're just going to see the more of the filler process and how we get it ready for the paint shop. So let's get going and get some filler on this. Okay everyone, so here we are back to the filler stage. I'm going to do a time lapse on it as well, because I don't want you sitting around for an hour, because it's going to take me a while to sand this. So I'll do a time lapse. What I'll do is I'll do a voiceover on the video just explaining what I'm doing, what techniques and what materials I'm using. Let's get sanding. So that's the first skim coat. It's pretty goddamn close, but to be honest with you, there's a few little areas, so I'm just going to put another light wipe. Like, this is a little low there, a little low there. I can feel a little something there, so I might have to figure that out. It's not a big deal. A light skim. Let's look in here. I just want to get that a little bit better here. I have a little bit of a low on the door here. So I think one more light skim over the whole lot, and that should be it. So let's get skimming. What I'm using here, I'll just show you. 3M Platinum Plus. I use that. And then this is a USC resin. I put a drop of that resin into it as well with the hardener. It just makes the spread a bit easier. So I'm going to start with 80 on the block and a mat. Going to hold the block nice and flat, and let's go this way, like that motion, just to get it all nice. When it's nice, I'll just do a few this way just to make sure it feels nice that way, and then here I'll go that way. It's a nice line here. Here we go. Okay. Same again here. Usually I start on the arch. I sand the arch till it's nice and flat. Then what I do is I get my body line tool along here, and then I'll put my tape along, and then I'll work on the outside of it. Try and get that body line nice and even all the way around. And then we work on the door gap. What I was doing there is I'm just going over to the far side quarter panel and I'm just measuring this to where the body line should be. Okay, we need to take more out of here. Let me just show you. You can see here, that's okay, and then it actually goes into the black area where the Geico is, so I need to sand more out of here and a bit more down here. Okay, now you can see my body line, and I can see this here. That's what you want to see. You don't want this body line going into the black area. So it's like that all the way along. What I'll do is I'll get masking tape here, and then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, so I need to sand this. I need to get this all the way down. I want to get a nice line along there. I'll get a bit of Geico. Now, I'll start sanding here. I'll have my block here, and I'll sand until I get that down to the line. Then you know your body line is in the right spot. This is the part I hate, these shapes. Ooh. Who needs to go to the gym? Okay, so another little trick, just to try and get it nice and flush here, what I usually do is along here, you just get a pencil, just run it right along the edge here, down, and it just puts a little line in there. So now I know how far this bit here has to go in to be flush with the door. Literally like this, just go down. I shouldn't be using a pen, I should be using a pencil. You know, the ink going in, but I'll sand it off now. But yeah, just another little trick. It's looking good there. What I'm going to do is we are going to guy coat the whole lot, and then we're going to move on to 180. Fingers crossed we get it in that. I'm going to go home. Down beside the door, I'm going to use a bit of, what is it, usually it's 400 or 500 just to round it off. Okay everyone, so she's all done there. What we're going to do now is just feather edge with a 180, all them scratches on the side out, then ready for the paint job. Alright guys, so here's the Audi, it's all finished. Let's go take a look at it. So right from here, body line looks nice and even. What we'll do is we'll get it out of here, get it into my stall, and we'll start putting it together. Yeah, looks good though. It's all done. The S5, just put it back together and she's looking good. She has to go out now and get a polish, but I'm doing with all my R&Is, putting it back together. Windows urethane in, just so it's just tape there. What I'll do is, I'm going to do a quick video show you now, but when it's down and it's finished polishing and it's all ready to get collected, I'll go up and do another video. Okay everyone, so there she is. Kind of getting polished. She's going to get a full detail now. And back to a happy customer. Happy with this one, the way it turned out. Like I always say, give it an old thumbs up, a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.